Grammar Workshop 今日想同大家分享一個我覺得好有趣嘅題目，叫做 No matter。我哋直入核心睇下兩個句子。I'll keep my promise no matter you believe it or not。我會兌現承諾㗎，你信又好，唔信又好。Constant practice is key, no matter at school or at home。恆常練習至關重要，無論係喺學校定係喺屋企。各位觀眾可唔可以幫我睇下呢兩個句子有冇問題啊 ？Grammatically 是否通順？是否完美呢？我會咁講呢，99% 嘅香港中學生朋友，或者係香港嘅成年人朋友呢，包括以前嘅我自己呢，都會覺得冇嘢啊，寫得幾好啊。嗱，可能有觀眾朋友趕時間或者趕住去考試呢，咁我而家開估啦，俾個簡單嘅結論就係唔得噶。No matter 唔可以當一個 conjunction 連接詞咁樣用噶，後面要加翻個字，可以係 whether whether 咁就搞掂啦。咁你就會問，咦 whether 好似單飛都得噶喎，可唔可以叉咗 no matter？ 係可以噶 ，no matter 喺度係 optional 噶。好啦，嗰啲冇咁趕時間嘅朋友呢，我而家就慢慢同你分享我嘅研究成果。睇到片尾呢，我仲會送你一個呢，我自己最近先認識，我覺得係 no matter 好靚嘅一個用法。嗱，首先我哋查字典呢 no matter 呢，呢個都好特別嘅用法，係單獨 no matter comma， 即係 it doesn't matter。呢個比較特殊，我哋唔好睇佢，我哋睇呢個。最普遍係 no matter who, no matter what, no matter where。 呢個 etc 可圈可點，咁你用邏輯推論呢，應該都係嗰啲 wh word no matter how 啊 no matter why 啊，以至於 no matter whether 係咪？ They don't last long no matter how careful you are. Call me when you get there no matter what the time is。 咁就冇 no matter A or B 或者 no matter SVO or not嘅呢個講法個噃，似乎啊嗱，咁我哋又嚟到 Youglish 呢個網站睇下 no matter 合共52,434個樣本呢，會見到佢有乜嘢嘅用法。咁啊，時間關係呢，我睇唔晒5萬個，我只係睇咗頭100個樣本，抄低 no matter 之後跟嘅嗰個係咩字。好啦，開始。
No matter how many hours or how many weeks they work, they cannot escape.
No matter what your history is, no matter where you've come from, every moment is a new possibility.
For you to qualify for the VA care that you need, no matter when you served. We've increased.
Find a mentor. No matter if you're just starting out or if you're already experienced, there's always someone to learn from.
Let's put in a policy that anyone, no matter what their level or role, is allowed to give notes to the director about.
They're full of holes, and no matter how much flow we pour into it, we're always
offering the best service, no matter what customer segment I'm serving.
No matter what their color or where they come from.
Always working, no matter what drugs or fights he'd had the night before.
Always, no matter what. On the day after.
咁 a few moments later 之後呢，我哋就結果就係咁樣啦。No matter how 合共係有28次 ，no matter what 39次，其他呢啲自己睇啦。咁你發現呢，1/4係 no matter how 呢個叫做2/5啊。4成啦，係講翻4成啦，4成機會係 no matter what， 咁所以一係 no matter how， 一係 no matter what， 係佔咗絕大部分 no matter 會 gen 出嚟嘅嗰個嘅演算法啊。嗱，值得留意嘅係 no matter whether 係一個都沒有，頭100個一個都沒有。點解會咁樣呢？你有冇留意到 no matter whether 其實即係呢度邊一個啊？即係 no matter if，no matter if 唔係好多。100個裏面有5個，即係1/20。嗱，或者我哋聽翻頭先嘅4號仔嘅 no matter if。
Find a mentor. No matter if you're just starting out, no matter if you're just starting out, no matter if you're just starting out。
大家聽唔聽到個 if 啊？其實唔係好聽得到嘅，只係個 view，no matter view。咁隱約聽到個 F 或者 V 音啦，從而推論出好似應該有個 F 字存在咯。咁所以呢，呢個係一個大膽假設，嘗試去解釋點解我哋覺得 no matter 後面直接嚟一個 SVO 係好順， 因為外國人講咗個 if， 原來我哋聽唔到㗎。咁既然聽唔到，即係我哋都唔使講出嚟，亦都唔使寫出嚟啦。港式 grammar 就是這樣練成的。咁會唔會其實就冇 no matter whether 呢個講法呢？又唔係嘅，都俾我揾到735個樣本，即係5萬幾個當中，其實有730幾個係 no matter whether， 不過冇俾我喺頭100個裏面遇到咯。
You see, no matter whether you're introducing yourself, telling a story, or saying thank you to someone who held the door for you, do it in a full and clear voice.
Which is what I find myself doing in my poems, no matter whether the topic is based in fact.
Engine, and no matter whether you store a gigabyte or a petabyte. So for most users,
咁當然no matter if 係常用好多，都唔係冇原因㗎，因為真係順口太多啦。no matter if， no matter if， no matter if， 而唔係 no matter whether， no matter whether， no matter whether 咁樣。同埋 no matter if 咧就可以避免咗 no matter 變得可有可無嘅呢個尷尬局面，因為 no matter whether 其實只需要 weather， 但係 no matter if 係唔可以就咁單獨 if， 一定要 no matter if 成個 phrase 出現呢個文法先至成立㗎。不過 no matter whether 有一個優勢就係佢後面可以跟一個 adverbial 或者係 prepositional phrase 或者係 noun， 而 no matter if 後面必定要係 SVO 一個完整嘅 clause， 所以呢度嘅第二個例句呢，唔可以 no matter if， 必然係 no matter whether at school or at home。俾多個例句大家。
But it's all part of RVing. No matter whether in a new rig or a vintage rig, you still gotta drain the poop.
好啦，嚟到下半場呢，我想分享一個 no matter 幾特別嘅用法，佢就係no matter 接住一個 noun。嗱，呢個用法特別到呢，係我本字典都揾唔到㗎，得呢啲 no matter WH 啊 ，no matter who，no matter what 咁樣。咁所以呢，係一個隱世、隱秘、隱藏用法嚟嘅喎，各位朋友。咁你就話：哇，正啊！得我識冇人識，你又唔好開心得咁早，真係分分鐘老師都唔識，係唔出奇㗎。你諗下字典都冇講喎，你話老師都可以同佢拗啊！最驚係閱卷員係嘛，秘密暗中幫你改卷，你冇得同佢拗㗎嘛，係嘛？都唔知佢姓甚名誰。嗱，至於老師咯，你就可以呢 show 呢6.5個，我哋喺呢100個樣本裏面揾到呢6.5個嘅例子，我哋一齊睇睇。嗱，好似6合彩啊，今期嘅得獎號碼係29、41、48、56、90、94，特別號碼51。
You will be great doctors, no matter the circumstance, no matter the events that transpire.
Your fabricator takes the same amount of time to produce a wall segment, no matter its length, and it's not particularly fast.
Not by individual projects, no matter their scale, not by individual companies.
Casts a circular shadow no matter the angle is a sphere. In other words, Aristotle saw lunar.
We have turned this word into the ultimate taboo, crafting it into something so tantalizing that for all you as kids, no matter their racial background, part of their coming of age is figuring out how to negotiate this word.
點解剛才有個特別號碼51呢？就係因為佢係 no matter who 緊接住一個 no matter 加一個名詞，呢個用法好靈活、好實際、好有參考價值，所以我特別將佢拆開一半歸 no matter who， 一半歸 no matter noun。
No matter who you are, no matter your gender or skin color, you all have one very important thing in common.
嗱，呢度嘅 no matter 呢，即係不論嗰樣嘢係乜嘢，即係不論性別，也不論膚色。喺呢度直譯翻做中文廣東話嘅不論呢係冇問題嘅。嗱，佢嘅擴展版呢，可以係 no matter what X is， no matter what your gender is， no matter what your skin color is。啱啱呢度我哋見到 your gender or skin color 好似一個 A or B 嘅 pattern， 但你千祈唔好搞錯咗頭先嗰個 whether A or B 喎。No matter 係可以就咁接 A，no matter A 而不需要 no matter A or B， 但係 whether 後面必然係接 A or B，whether A or B 或者 whether A or not。 意思方面呢 whether A or B 即係無論 A 又好 B 又好，但係 no matter A or B 即係呢無論 A 是什麼，也不論 B 是怎樣。意思有啲分別啊，大家聽唔聽得出先？冇問題嘅話呢，就會睇得明以下呢一則留言係關於 K-pop 女團 Baby Monster 呢個 Hot Sauce MV 裏面呢位叫阿 Young 嘅成員個噃。阿 Young never fails to amaze me, no matter the concept。呢位就係阿 Young 啦，翻嚟呢句先。No matter the concept, she completely owns it and brings it to life in her own unique way。哇，短短兩句呢，打錯咗3個字，不過唔緊要嘅 ，no matter 嘅真係。咁呢度我哋見到 no matter 接住一個名詞嘅用法 ，no matter the concept， 無論個主題嗰個概念是什麼呢，阿 Young 呢都能夠完全駕馭呈現出嚟嘅。關於 no matter 嘅用法呢，就講到呢度啦。其實英文唔錯嘅朋友呢，應該喺度會諗到一啲 no matter 嘅同義詞或者替代品嘅，諗唔諗到啊？最常見會諗到 regardless of 或者 irrespective of， 唔理佢，唔鬼理佢，不管不論不考慮，就係呢3個 phrase 嘅共通意思啦。所以 no matter who you are 即係 regardless of who you are, irrespective of who you are, no matter the concept 即係 regardless of the concept, irrespective of the concept。詞性方面呢，下低兩個即係 regardless of, irrespective of 都會係 preposition。我真係好想粗暴地將 no matter 都當係 preposition， 但係諗一諗唔係喎，佢唔可以接 ing 喎，會好奇怪喎，所以 no matter 唔係 preposition。到底 no matter 係乜嘢 part of speech 呢？嗱，字典就醒啦 ，Cambridge 話你知佢係 idiom， 唔好嘗試拆開，唔好強行分析，成組嘢成抽嘢吞咗佢，背咗佢 ，OK。Oxford 一樣啦，就咁查唔到，要撳去 idiom 先揾到 no matter 嘅所有用法。Merriam-Webster 最正，索性叫佢做個 phrase， 連咩 phrase 都講唔出，驚嚇程度等同見到隻 UFO。至於我哋乜都識、乜都要搭嘴嘅 AI 呢，都要衝出嚟幫一幫手，好有信心話俾我哋聽，佢係一個 adverbial conjunction， 但我就拗爆頭啦。Adverbial conjunction 應該即係 although 啊、while 啊、if 啊嗰啲嚟嘅喎。如果你信咗，你咪會寫出片頭所講嗰啲港式文法 ，no matter you believe it or not 啊 ，no matter in Shamshire Po or Changsha Wan 啊，嗰啲大頭佛英文咯。所以真係要慎用 AI， 慎防 AI， 小心小心。而我最念念不忘嘅其實都係 Merriam-Webster 叫佢做一個 phrase， 直頭無以名狀、無以類比、特立獨行嘅一隻小怪物。我拍呢一集冇諗過最後會得出呢個懶有趣嘅結論 ，no matter 係一個 baby monster。